So the MCXI really is the meeting point between the requirements of business, which is to say strategy, what people, whether they're customers, users, stakeholders, employees, partners, or any other kind of stakeholder, what they need, what motivates them, what drives them to behave the way they behave, and how we might be able to change what they're looking for in order to be able to help them complete those motivations or satisfy those requirements or needs. With how we bring that out to people, how we get into the market, how we help people become aware, how we create the actual offering itself, and finally, how we actually implement and build those things. So we have lots of classes in research. We have lots of classes in how to make sense of that research and do analysis. We have a lot of focus on synthesis. How do you bring yourself to your understanding of what the problem is, or who the customer is, or who the user or other stakeholder might be? And then how do we turn those ideas, those seeds, into solutions? Things that can actually be brought out as offerings into the world. And all of that is delivered through theoretical material, practical applications and exercises, activities, and projects. So the structure and delivery of the MCXI is really focused on project-based learning, which is a pedagogical methodology which embeds both the theory that's needed and the practical application and just trying stuff out in actual projects that students do either in teams or individually. Now, most of the projects, because our professors are professionals who are out in the world working in an industry right now, most of the projects are tied to real-world experiences and actual cases that companies have. So what that means is that students have the opportunity to complete 3 projects. One in social impact, where they have to uncover a need, problem, or opportunity, and be able to develop solutions which they iteratively test until they are able to propose them with a good sense of what kind of impact they should have on the community to which they're trying to deliver value. A sustainable impact project, where the teams have to uncover an opportunity and take it through to a point where they can actually pitch it to investors. And a corporate client project, which is working with a live challenge with a company, getting support and input from that company so that they can propose recommendations for how to improve the customer experience for offerings that they might have, or in a larger systemic way. So as the MCXI is about customer experience and innovation, the roles which are available to alumni are pretty diverse and pretty broad. Over 7 intakes and some 350 alumni who are out in the world now. We find them in roles that range from CX departments with corporations, consultancies, or agencies, innovation departments with companies and incubators and accelerators, UX, product management, research, service design, business design. The range is quite broad, because what we're teaching in the MCXI is a process which can be applied in many different areas of a company, in any sector or any industry. And so you can take what you get from the MCXI and bring it wherever you go and learn how to lead from whatever seat in which you find yourself.